got it.
On the Pharaoh.
Get out of, get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Please not shoot him.
Get in the house! Get in the house! Get your hands up!
Get on the ground, sir.
Get,
Stay on the ground.
you stay right there.
Stay on the ground.
Get your arm out from under you.
Stay on the ground, baby. Stay on the ground.
Hey, you ain't come out the house. Come over here.
Hey, you move to your left. Move to your left.
Walk. Not side. Walk to your left. Now. Hands in the air.
Dunham, I'm with you. Get him up. See if you can call him back. Move to
right.
your left.
Get up onto your knees. Driver, get up onto your knees.
Hang tight just a second. Hey, you with no shirt on.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
What did I do?
Move to your left. Put your hands on top of your head. Go ahead, go ahead.
All right, stand up, face away from me. Stand up, face away from me.
Don't start crying, son. Just hold on.
Stand up, face away from me.
Oh, 3, 1050.
Felony takedown. Walk backwards with the sound of my voice. Walk backwards with the sound of my voice. Keep walking backwards with the sound of my voice.
I'll go hands on.
Keep walking backwards. Watch your step with the lip there. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards.
You're good right there. Keep walking them back.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Go down to your knees.
What did I do? What did I do? All right. Stand up. Hands on your head.
You got him?
No.
Let me help. I'm gonna go help him.
What's that on your side there? Hey, just stay back for now.
That's my wallet. That's my wallet.
What's that on you? Slush or something?
Yes, it's Dodge. Like
Stand
you
up.
came from Dodge.
Stand up.
What did I do?
You didn't stop. You took off. It's called fleeing.
I didn't.
You don't get to do that.
Y'all had someone else pull over. I thought I could pass by.
You didn't see him get behind you with his license siren on?
No.
You speed up?
I didn't.
Okay.
Come on, Clark. Come this side. Anybody else in your car?
No.
Lean up right against my car. You ain't got to lean on it. Just lean up against it.
Can I pee? Can I pee?
He threw it in the yard.
Hey, grab those keys before they come over here.
I gotta pee.
Hey, put him in your car.
I gotta pee.
You better not pee in my car.
I gotta pee. Can I pee?
Stay right there. Stay right there. Quit moving.
You all right? Get it. Something wrong? Yeah. Look at it. Tell them something. That's something on your head.
He threw it in the yard. He threw it in the yard. Come here. What are you doing?
I'm trying to pee.
Are you pissing yourself?
No, I'm trying to pee, but y'all not trying to let me pee.
What's your deal?
I ain't got no deal. I was just trying to get home.
So you a grown man, you can't hold your bladder?
Man, I've been holding my pee for 2 hours. I've been trying to get home because she called me.
Well, come back here, sit down.
I gotta. What happened?
Watch your step. Get in here, sit down.
Can someone at least give me my medicine?
What's your medicine for?
My seizures. I can't breathe.
Why can't you breathe?
I told you I have seizures.
What do seizures have to do with breathing?
What do you mean? Do you not know?
What does it say? You're not having a seizure right now. Why can't you breathe?
I haven't been able to breathe in a minute. That's the whole point of me coming to the house.